here with my BMW M4. We're going to link up with my family, take some of our M cars and our BMWs to a local car event. So without further ado, let's hop in this beautiful beast and get on the road. Alright, so now we're pulling up at the meet right now. A couple nice cars already, E92 M3 in Monaco blue. So we just pulled up to the Cars and Coffee, got the M4 parked up. And then we have our V10 M5 that my cousin recently purchased. And it looks like he already went ahead and did the muffler delete. So we definitely got to get some revs. Here this car, Snow is standing right next to our 650 Grand Coupe. So this car is always looking good. It's finally clean as well. So shout out Sonny. Here goes his M340i. We'll have to link up with him after the meet, but he's got tint on it, completely stock. So you like it?
It's cool.
Yeah. Let me know if you guys want to see a review or any kind of video on this car. Check out this E92 M3. Oh. What's up, man? What's up, bro? Ooh, that is just such a beautiful color. Oh. Brother, watch the whip. Check out the E39 M5. I could have brought mine, but oh yeah, that's nice. There's a nice GT3 Porsche as well. Carbon seats on the back. Dad's first time seeing Dave's M5. Oh,
good engine right there.
What's the mileage?
95.
Solid.
The thing is, everything is smelly in the car show.
Yeah. I feel like a dick for that one, for sure.
Whoa, whoa.
Brand new rod bearings. That's it. And the muffler delete.
Oh, we gotta hear that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So now we're about to put some fuel in the cars, go take some photos, and enjoy the nice straight piped V10 M5. I just love a black BMW, man.
Oh. Wait, no.
Yeah, that's tight. When did you pick up this M5?
Picked up about a month ago.
Car's already got a new clutch, a new transmission, and now new rod bearings.
Yeah.
Oval tips was a great touch for this year and body.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Once I do more modifications, the tips will probably be a little bigger.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think the oval tips look best on the M6 and the M5 this generation. You can see the difference between mineral white, metallic on the M4, and then alpine white. So if you guys don't know what's done to this car, it's fully straight pipe, no cats, no headers, no res, no mufflers, so there's no exhaust in the car. What's your favorite car here?
If I had to like drive off the lot with one,
Yes, ma'am. For real? Yo, everybody send her to hate right now. Gotta make sure Jason is energized for his drives, so he doesn't drive too crazy. We just pulled up, parked the cars up here on Main Street. Wow. M4 looking good. 340 looking good as well. So it's nice to be downtown, you know, in the city, catching the vibes. So we're about to go eat. Hopefully catch a view of the cars from outside and go from there.